Okay, party people, this is the Birdman again, and as you can see, this is what I call Birdland. Basically, this is a spot where people go walking, people come out here to work out, relax, meditate. Just give me a little shot of everything. You're like in a little corner. So I'm gonna take you on yet another tour. Oh, look at the ducks. Yeah. Ducktails. Okay, we're gonna mosey around here. And to my left right there is the man-made waterfall. In the distance you hear my son, Zion. Zion, come here for a second. What's up, Z? You good, Z?
Yeah.
You having fun, Z?
Yes.
How you feeling right now?
Good.
You feeling good?
Yeah.
You enjoying your birdland?
Yeah.
The ducks?
Yeah.
All that good stuff?
Oh, Daddy.
That's my junior there.
Daddy.
Okay, we're gonna move it on down here.
Daddy.
Okay, yes, Zion. What's good?
I saw ducks walking on there.
Oh, you saw ducks walking up there?
Yeah.
What color were they?
Gray.
They what?
Gray.
Gray? Okay, did you say anything to them?
No.
Okay. Next time, say something to them. All right. Okay, we're coming around the bend. And if you look past this other little sprout system, sprinkler system, whatever, there's a park over there. It's where we spend our days in the summertime. The water squirts out the ground. You don't have to worry about parking, like at Centennial Park. You just come out here and just relax a little bit. The only catch is you got to make sure you get the parking before everybody else. Okay, I'm signing out, people. I just like to get out here, enjoy nature, and try to chill out for a second before the hustle and bustle comes in every day. Say bye, Zion.
Bye.
Peace.